Hello. In the new version of Nomad Sculpt, it's now possible to change the anchor position of a inserted object in combination with the clone tool. Okay, I switch to the Nomad app and I give an example. This is my example object, and I create a tube in the front view. And I create a hair. I make it a little bit thinner at the top. Okay, it's a hair. And I change the topology. We don't need so much. Okay. The slider issue. In this version, there's a slider issue. Okay. Okay. I think it's okay. I can validate it. I go to the gizmo and I shrink it a little bit down. And I change the matte cap to a black matte cap, and it's okay. And now you see the gizmo. And when you use now the insert tool in combination with the clone function, turn off the symmetry, and when you pick now the object, oops. This is also not correct. Okay, I validate this object and I delete it. Okay, I turn on the outline. Okay, now it's correct. Outline is on. Okay, I'll lock this hair. At the bottom is a lock function, and the insert is on, but the gizmo is not on the right position. And I use the pivot function on the left side and bring the insert point, the anchor of the inserted object, in the right position. Turn the pivot on again, or I select it. And now when you use the insert function, the hair appears perpendicular to the surface on the right anchor position. And you can now add easily quick lots of hairs. In the scene menu there are now a lot of primitives that are not validated, but that's no problem. It's only select these primitives. Okay, a few clicks and simple merge them. Then they are one piece and validated. And you can now unlock it, use your hair again, go back and lock it again, and use the insert tool again and place more objects on the head. Oh, this was not good. And again, you have to select the objects and simple merge them. And simple merge it again with the other object. Now you can use the copy function, or you can use the gizmo and clone this object and bring it in place. You can now make more hair when you like. And so on and so on. But the main thing is to change the anchor point of these objects to bring it in a perfect place. Okay, that's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.